Good morning, dear class. Welcome to our language class. Today we're going to be doing things that are really fun. Let's remember what we have done the last week. So we already did the sound A, the sound E, and today we're going to be doing the sound E. So you're going to be practicing writing it, right? And you're going also to be playing and remembering things that start with that sound. Okay, guys, before we do that, what about if we sing the days of the week? Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. There are 7 days, there are 7 days, there are 7 days in a week. Okay, guys, so if yesterday was Monday, today is what? Tuesday. Very good. And if today is Tuesday, tomorrow is going to be Wednesday. Very good. So today our date is, before that, let's sing our months of the year. Very good. January, February, March, and April, May, June, July, and August, September, October, November, December. Here are the months of the year. Okay, guys, are we still in March? Yes, we are. So we are today is Tuesday, March 24th, 2020. Excellent. Okay, guys, the agenda for today is as it follows. First, you're going to be listening to the phonic sound of the song where it has the sounds, right? And in that song, I want you to stand up and dance and do the movements that we learn with each word, okay, guys? After that, you're going to be writing it could be in a whiteboard or the window, and you're going to be practicing what? The letter E. Okay, look at the pictures that we have here in my video. So we have igloo, internet, in, and ink. Very good, guys. Remember how to make the capital letter? So we make a line, go down, and two that goes across. You do it 5 times. And for the lowercase, let's remember how Miss Clarita taught us, okay? And we do 5 times lowercase e. Very good, guys. After you do this practice, please go and check a song that we put there. And after that, you have again to play. Okay, guys, I hope that you really enjoy this class and these activities. I miss you. Have a great day. See you tomorrow. Bye.